Here's their mama, Dixie, right here. Say hi, Dixie. Need to say hi? So, Dixie has 5 adorable kittens down here, as you'll see. There's 3 here that are showing themselves right now. Come on. Show another. There's another one right there. That one's really cute too. There's 1, 2, let's see. Oh, there's the 4th one in the back. All the way in the back. Oh, hey, kitty. Kitty just scratched my head. You alright, Dixie? As you can see, the kittens are all playing here. It's having fun. Dixie's looking into the camera. There you go. There you go. Alright, you gonna jump down? I'll pet you more if you want, Dixie. Come on. Looks like Dixie's gonna be able to look over. Like that, Dixie? Right, so if you look down here, they're really playful. They're like 5 weeks old right now. Kitty, let me move out of the way. What? What, Dixie? What's wrong? Dixie just clawed me. What? Am I okay still? It's just a phone, see? So anyway, I think it's time to leave these guys alone. They all look mostly like their mother, except there's one that's almost entirely black. One of them has like a little bit of white, but they look pretty much to be the same breed as their mom, Dixie, right here. Nice look, Dixie. Except these ones, a lot of them seem to have like grayish blue eyes. Dixie here has greenish yellow, which I thought was pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the cat and these kittens alone for a while, and hopefully next week I'll get to see them again. This is a little more than 5 weeks of them being alive. Right, bye everyone.